Alright guys, let's not waste time and make my bow.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
As you say hi.
Hi. And today we're going to be making JOJO Bows.
And this is a JOJO Bow Maker for us to make bows with.
Look at these beautiful ribbons. Blue, gold, pink, rainbow, white.
But we have bow, and claps, and bow
And clips.
These are sticky gems and sticky stickers. I'm gonna put this bow clip inside here. So we need two, Andrea, hold this. So we need two satin ribbons for this. Then we have to line them up. Three, we close these. You have to press it hard. See? Andrea, let me do it.
No, I'll do it.
Andrea, no, I have stronger muscles.
Oh, my bow is okay.
There. Now four, we need to press these together. So, wait. Get parents' help if you can't do it.
My bow maker.
Yes.
Yes!
Now it says to release, and we're gonna unclip this.
My bow, come
And
out!
how do you get it out? Okay, let me figure this out. There.
Yes!
I'm gonna show you how you put it in. So do you see the slot on this? And you slide this in, and then you close it. Voila, it's done. Now we're gonna decorate the bow. Now I'm gonna put this JOJO bow inside Angie's hair. Angie's saying, stay still because it might hurt. It has to go through your scalp. Okay. Okay. There.
I get the bow! I see work!
And to show it to the fans. Alright guys, let's not waste time and make my bow. JOJO fans!
Hi guys, love you!
And hit the JOJO button.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye!